Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome back to Pepe video update today. And Pepe again is above this little bit of resistance. You're broken out here, and right now Bitcoin has been making some few bad candles, and Pepe as well is making some few bad candles along the way. So I was looking at this little bit of a junction going on. So Pepe right now, you can actually say that was trading inside this little bit of a pennant, broke to the downside. It came back up to retest that trend line, but unfortunately, if you just notice what the retest is actually doing here, then you have already made a rejection. So this is a rejection, and probably it's time to retest now this trend line, which is at 569. So if you do end up coming down to 569, it's not going to be a big surprise, but you may see a dramatic fall if Pepe comes all the way down to 388. And if you start to lose 388, take this stop loss out, then I think the next big support down is going to be, I think, 240 or something. I'm just going to have to double check this right now. Actually, 388 is still your big support in my opinion. So this was your previous high, 363. So if I do drop that little bit of a trend line right there, you can actually expect Pepe, if Bitcoin also drops to $50,000, then we may see a dramatic fall one more time all the way to 359 or something like that. Now, this can be a very, very good place to enter if it does fall down there, but at least for now, before we even go down to that technical target, I'm just marking a support, okay? That's just the next support that I want to talk about. Now, before you even fall down, the question is, can you just all right, this is a clear rejection, we get it. And another thing is that if you check the EMA, at least you're above the EMAs at the moment, but EMAs are lagging indicators, so it's not a very strong opinion. And the thing is that if you come down a little bit more with Pepe and try to retest 578, then from 578, you retest this, spend some little bit of time here, and you start to move back up again, that would actually be a little bit better. But if you start to do something like, oh man, you just go down all the way, you are at 506, you take out 506, and then, you continue all the way to maybe all these low levels right over there in the future. So that's what I see for Pepe. Hope you enjoyed this quick update. I'm going to see you the next time in the office.